Hello friends, this is Shantanu from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. This is my bike Bajaj Avenger. And I am going to tell you about some changes I have made to this bike. Now first of all, I have installed NGK Iridium spark plugs over here, two plugs on both the sides, and these are the MSD superconductor spark plug cables. The second one is the handlebar. I have installed Thunderbird Bullets handlebar and filled Rangoli inside the handlebar. It reduces the vibrations, and I am using the grips from new street and cruise model, which is very softer as compared to the stock one. On the mirrors, I had installed the convex blind spot mirrors, but later on I have uninstalled those. On front leg guards, I am using 12 watt LED fog lights for better visibility. Behind the front number plate, there is a Blaupunkt BP 202. Blaupunkt BP 02 high definition camera. It records my ride. Now, as far as the headlamp bulb is concerned, I am using LED bulb. It gives yellow light, 2500 lumens. Now here you can see the MSD cable, the other set. I am using K&N RC1060 air filter. I have removed the cover of the air box. Now I have also added a backrest for the rider. With just 2 screws you can take it on and off. Yeah, this is it. Nice chrome finish. I have added some padding for that. Now this is temporary padding. I will be making some cushioning like plywood and foam later on. Now I have also installed Nitrox shockups on this bike. These Nitrox shockups increase the height a little bit, but that is taken care of by shaving the rider seat. It is having a nice curved contour, and I have added 6 mm of 32 density foam to make it softer. Rear seat, the height of rear seat is also decreased a little bit. Some 3M stickers, reflective tapes all around the bike to increase the visibility at night. Over here is one on the rear side of the mirrors. Now this red one is this red cable. This is the steel braided brake line. It improves braking. This is called banjo bolt. This is made up of stainless steel, and there is one copper washer, and again the same set is here at the other end. Also I have changed my tires to MRF Zapper FY1, which is the stock tire of Yamaha R15 V2. This is a grippier and softer tire, and I am very happy with this tire. It costs just 1700 rupees, and at rear I am using IRC. Size is same as the stock size. This tire totally eliminates the problem of fishtailing in this bike. A nice tire. So most important, I am using Race Concepts free flow exhaust. This is a very nice exhaust, lighter in weight. The bike can run in the 5th gear at the speeds of 40, also 35 to 40 without knocking, and it increases the pickup, increases the fuel efficiency. By the way, I am getting almost 50 kilometers per liter with this bike constantly, even in the cities and on the highways. No problem, no vibrations. I am using Motul engine oil 300V. The grade is 15W50 15W50. This is the best engine oil to be used in this bike. I'm also using Motul chain clean and chain lube each 500 kilometers to clean the chain. Now about the clutch cable. This clutch cable I have changed it to Bullet's outer. I took Thunderbird's outer, removed its inner, and as the inner I used auto rickshaws cable. I did this modification to compensate for the increased height due to the changed handlebar. Also, I have reduced the weight of this bike by almost 14 to 15 kgs. As you can see, my side stand is resting on a stone. I don't have center stand. I also removed the metal plates that were covering this portion. I also changed the number plate bracket that were heavier. These are aluminum brackets, and where is it? These are aluminum brackets and are much lighter than the stock brackets here. Also, I have removed the unnecessary parts which were present over here. I generally don't use sari guard. I attach it, I remove it as per the requirement. Now most of us are facing the problem of sun glare while riding the bike. For that I have designed this sticker using CorelDRAW and Photoshop. Now you can mail me to get a copy of PDF file of this sticker. This totally eliminates the glare while riding. Now for the front forks I am going to get the rubber bellows from the Avenger Street model. This is on my wish list. I have placed an order but I have not received it yet. On this side also there were some metal covers, some sort of shields. I have removed those also for weight reduction. I have also installed a mobile charger, and this is the cable that comes from the camera. This is where the camera is installed. You can see the other bracket, number plate bracket I have manufactured, fabricated. So this is the cable. This cable you supply to the camera, as well as here is the mobile charger inside. I'm not sure whether you can see it or not. Yeah, this is the mobile charger. It gives the supply. I have also installed remote anti-theft security for this bike. This is the Studs cruiser box. Good capacity, good load carrying capacity, and I have got a cover for this to make it watertight. Sometimes water enters inside, and this is a rope which I use to tie things whenever required. This is fixed to the cruiser box itself, like you can see from here. I have tied this rope and I have just let it inside the box. I take it out whenever required and use it for tying the things I am carrying. Yeah, this is the backrest, nice cushioning. So overall this is the bike, and I am very happy with this bike. I have spent a lot for modifying this bike, but I am quite happy with all those modifications. So guys, please share your views about this bike. If you have some other suggestions or modifications, please post comments, which will be useful for all. And thank you for watching this video.